So this is... Hi everybody, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. This is me just putting the pop top up manual on a beach. So no fancy buttons to press, you just basically opened up, which I've done already. Open this up and then you're into unclipping both sides, and then popping with this. Let's go this side first because I'm left-handed. Then you push down to release both catches. So we'll do this side first, and then this side has got a bit tighter, and then you just pull down on the handle and remove, which I'll do now. So you can see now removed both catches, and then it's simple as take the handle and push up. Up she goes. And then you're up in the roof. As you can see, a bit of light at the back. Our little mattress cover, which is nicely buttoned on. So I'm basically going to remove this so that we can clean it. So I'll show you, not that it needs cleaning, because normally on here is our sleeping bag, and we haven't slept up here since we were in France. But yeah, so I'll just take this cover off. So we used a single duvet for our sheet. It works well, but as you can see, while you're up here and you're lacking space, it's a bit difficult to get back off again. Just showing you underneath. This is really comfy, actually, to be honest. When sleeping downstairs, I've missed sleeping upstairs because it's way more comfy. There we go, nice mattress. I'll say, proper cozy. Respect. Okay, that's the roof. When taking the top down, obviously you have to grab the top, but also you need to tuck in both sides so that you don't get them caught. I'll show you when I'm bringing it in. I will hold these and push them forward so that they just sit under here on both sides, so you don't catch anywhere. It's very important, and I'll do that now. As you can see, I brought them in, and I'll make sure that they go behind here when bringing it down so they're not to catch at all. This is important. See? So that's behind there, and then obviously this is going into here. So you don't want to catch anything. You want to make sure everything's tucked in nicely before you push down to firm. Now you see. Gripping and it's on tight. Same with the other side. Very important, obviously, is safety. And then the best bit is making sure you close all this without catching any fabric. This can be sometimes very fun. See, it's all tucked in. Bit of an expert at this now, because obviously as the fabric loosens with time, it's easier for you to do, but obviously you never want to catch your fabric, so got to be done properly. There we go, all closed. I will just mention that I have actually just trapped my finger, but all's good. You know, it's part of learning. But thank you for watching this very quick video.